So I thought I'd have a go at making these seed snails. Look at that. So I've done three. I've got delphiniums, chives, and lettuce. And what I like about them, two things. One thing is it saves so much space in your greenhouse. You could fit 6 on that tray, whereas you'd have 6 seed trays taking up a whole bench probably. But anyway, so that's one thing I like. I also like the fact that they're deep, so the roots can go really deep and give you a really good root system. So what I've done is, I love this idea. It's not my idea. I've got a length of got a length of bubble wrap like that. You just put your compost on it. Okay, so not sure what I'm going to put in this one. Oh, I am sure. Cosmos. That's right. So roly. Put the cosmos in this. I'm looking forward to my planting next year because I've got all sorts of lovely plants in the greenhouse already, and that is why I wanted to save space, because I've got so many different perennials that I want to get going and grow on, for the next year's planting. I've got so many different ones. I've got some nice cone flowers. They are gorgeous. And I've just made one of these seed snails. There, I like to dampen it. I've just made one for the bergamot. And so this is my 5th one. There we go. I need to get some tape now. Right, here we go. There. Put the tape on now. Really looking forward to these. Now, which is top, which is bottom, it doesn't matter. But we will put a little bit more compost in that. Right. That's for the cosmos. Yeah, the cottage garden should be nice next year because I'm going to have bee balm, which is gorgeous. I've already got that, but I'm going to put it in the border next year. It's in pots at the moment. It is flowering. It's lovely. I've got obviously the hollyhocks, daisies, the Shasta daisies, and now we've got the bergamot and the delphiniums. So next year, cottage garden should be, and I'll plant. I'll tell you what hasn't been successful for me this year: sunflowers. I put them in pots, and the pot must have been too small, and they're really rubbish. And then with the there's not many in there. And then with the drought, it's been terrible. So let's put these. These are a big seed, the cosmos. I've got one cosmos in the garden. So that has just got there somehow or another from somewhere. So I'll save the seed from that, obviously. So there we are. So we've got our They're lovely. I'll just see if there's any more in there. Probably not. There's about 10 in that packet. Not good. It's not very good, is it? With what I paid for those 10. And will 10 come up? That's what I asked myself. Anyway, here we go. So I'll just add more. Yeah. Excellent. There's Cosmos. And there we are. So I hope you'll have a go at that. It's well worth it. Well worth it. Absolutely. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, it would be lovely if you wouldn't mind subscribing to the channel. It's totally free. And with that, I'll say bye for now. And as always, love from the land of mist and legend. See you next time.